So that's what this channel is going to be about from this point on. It's going to be about rediscovering my femininity. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to introduce to you guys my brand new channel for 2026. I am so excited because I've been a YouTuber for 14 years as of December of 2025. And for the whole time I've been on YouTube, I mainly talked about my natural hair, growing it out and making it, getting it healthy and just having a nice head full of hair. Well, I achieved that goal and my other goals. And so now I am at a different point in my life to where I am ready to move on to a different lifestyle. It's not a different lifestyle. It's more of a becoming more feminine. So that's my aim for this channel, is to become more feminine. Somewhere along the line, I lost a little bit of my femininity. Yes, I am still a woman. Yes, I am still feminine, but there are some other things about me that comes off a little masculine, in my opinion. So you're probably wondering, what are you talking about, Nezi? Who are you, and why are you talking about becoming feminine when you are feminine? I'm saying that because I looked at my life and just thinking about how I was just even 6 or 7 years ago, I was way better at being softer than I am today. And life will teach you how to overcome things, how to deal with things, and how to manage things in your life. And sometimes it can come off as being masculine. So I'm here to say, that's what we're going to do with my channel. I needed something that was challenging, because I started my channel off with loose natural hair, and I accomplished all my goals, and then I just went to locks because when I retired, I had no interest in doing any more loose natural videos. It seemed like my natural hair was attached to my old job that I left almost 6 years ago. I can't believe I've been gone from my career for almost 6 years. It'll be 6 years altogether in May of 2026. And when you are a public bus driver, guys, when I tell you, when I started, I was 22 years old. I was this soft, cutie pie, feminine, just exuding all this freshness. And then throughout time, as you get older, you deal with people, you deal with traffic, you deal with situations in your life to where you ain't gonna tolerate a lot of stuff anymore. And then all of a sudden, you just become this other person that you weren't. Of course, we're not going to stay the same throughout our lifetime. Life will teach you and change you to adapt to what's going on. But as I'm getting older, I'm realizing, hey, wait a minute. Wait. Girl, remember when you used to care about how you looked when you left the house? Remember when you used to care about how your hair looked? Well, no, let me take it back. Let me rephrase what I'm saying. Because I was never a woman that was really into structure like that. I was always a loose woman, not sexually. Well, maybe sexually too. Anyway, that's back in the day. But I was never a person. I was more of a freestyle person. I'm still that. I don't ever want to lose that. However, I want to refine it a little bit and rediscover my femininity. So that's what this channel is going to be about from this point on. It's going to be about rediscovering my femininity. Am I going to get rid of all of my masculinity, my ways, my thug ways, I call it? No, I'll never do that, because life has made me who I am today. I just need a little bit of refinement. I want to refine myself. I want to be more polished. And I said in my recent live stream, which was maybe about a month or so ago, my word of the day, that's not right. My word of the year is polished. And I've been watching a lot of polished videos. I didn't know that femininity was attached to being polished. I didn't know classiness was attached to being polished. I have never been a classy woman. I've always been a tomboy. I've always been physical. I've always been a person to back you up, back person up when I need to. And I've always been a woman who did like the way she looked. But it was just never at the top of my list, okay? So this time, I'm going to put myself back at the top of the list like I used to be. At one point, I was at the top of the list, but just clean it up. I can't say it no other way. Just clean it up. So my channel is going to consist of keeping my hair a little bit more groomed, because, guys, I am, like I said, I'm more free. And I told you at the beginning of my lock journey that I'm going for the look like, semi-rasta, clutch your pearls and clutch your purse when I walk by. I wanted that look. I've achieved it. I only retwist like every 6 months, but many of you guys know that I've been trying to retwist my hair more often. So maybe 4 times a year, or even 3 times a year versus twice a year. Okay, so yeah, even if I add one more retwist to my regimen, to my hair care regimen, it's still going to allow me to be thick rooted, but a little bit more polished at the same time. I like my thick locks. I like my naughty roots. I like this look. I like it. My hair is way healthier because I don't do a lot to it. But I just want to clean up a little bit. So I want to just refine who I am and scale it back to where I used to be. So I'm going to go back to how I was 20 years ago, 15 years ago, 10 years ago, even 6 years ago. So you see I'm back in my studio. I haven't been in this part of my YouTube space in about a year or two. At one point, I even stopped wearing makeup. So I've been wearing makeup since 2024. And now I'm into trying to look nice when I leave the house. I don't know what happened. Just life, guys. You know, when people say, what happened to you? Like something really, really bad happened. Life, it's just life. You go through ups and downs and waves. I've experienced deaths and I had a job that I hated. And I'm in a better place today. And I don't want to harp on that anymore. I'm ready to move forward. So guys, I think this channel is going to be more of a beauty channel, a refinement, a feminine, a soft channel. Don't get it twisted though, because I'm going to have some hiccups. I might come out like I wish a sucker would. Oh yeah, and the cussing, guys. I cuss. But the good thing is, I don't know if there's a good thing about cursing, but when I curse, I usually curse with my friends or in the privacy of my own space. I usually don't do it. I don't do it too much on my channel. I have cussed a little bit. My live streams, I let it rip. I can be myself on my live streams. But as far as my videos, I don't really cuss that much. If you can watch all my videos, I have over 800. And you'll say, well, no, she doesn't cuss. That's because I like to cuss with my friends and behind closed doors, not in public. It's tacky. Unless you're a public bus driver, then everybody gets cussed out. It becomes normal. But I'm no longer a public bus driver. I'm no longer depressed or sad. I'm in a good space. I have peace in my life, and I'm ready to refine myself. So the name of my channel is called, you ready? Some of you guys may have seen it. All you gotta do is click on my username, my face. If you click on there, you'll see the name of my channel. It's called Rediscovering My Femininity. So as of February of 2026, that's what I'm going to do. This is not going to be a journey. Like my natural hair journey when I grew my hair out and stuff. No, there's not going to be a journey because a journey has a start and an end. I want to go a little bit more feminine for the rest of my life. So my channel's going to be soft. I hope. So yeah, guys, we're going to be getting back into makeup. Of course, hair, skin, and clothes. We're going to do all that, guys. I thought about it today. I said, when was the last time you wore some high heel shoes? When was the last time you wore a girdle? When was the last time you wore a regular bra? Guys, I don't even wear regular bras anymore. I wear sports bras. Queen Bee, she wears sports bras because they're more comfortable. I can move around without feeling like stuff is cutting into my body. When's the last time I wore a dress? I did wear a dress last summer. But I used to wear dresses a little bit more. Skirts. When's the last time I wore a skirt? Where are my body shapers? I can't fit my old body shapers. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to redefine. We're going to polish. We're going to be becoming more softer. Now, I don't want to come off as being fake. I am far from being fake. I'm not a fake type person. And that's probably why I do come off kind of harsh because I'm not fake. I don't know what's going on. I got a new computer right here. I'm in your face. Not all the time. I'm not brash. I can be brash. I can be rough. But I want to know, I just want to tighten it up, guys. That's it. I just want to be a little bit more polished. Get this body together, girl. Because I don't know what's going on. Let me see. Let me show you what my body did. Girl, I done lost my shape, honey. I used to have a nice little shape. I was never a shapely, curvaceous woman. But I was always an athletic woman. So my body was together. It was always more put together. I never let my stomach get past my breast. But look at me. I'm 56 years old and look like I'm pregnant. I ain't never been pregnant. Suck it in. Even if I suck it in, it's still, all right? And girl, don't even talk about the booty. There ain't no booty back there. Never had a booty, but it was shapelier. I had a shapelier body. My body looked nice. So I want to get back into me. We're going to have some fun. We're going to do skincare. We're going to do all that, nails, all that. All right? And we're going to really focus on the baby because she's out of order, guys. So, hairstyles. Am I going to do a lot of hairstyles? I don't know. We can play with some hairstyles too, right? Because my hair is long enough to do styles. And I love wearing my hats. And I have to find a new way to wear my head wraps. Guys, a lot of my followers know that I used to love my head wraps. And I'm like, how do I wear them now? Because I can't tuck all my hair in my head wraps anymore. All right. So anyway, yeah. So we're going to do it's going to be a beauty channel. But it's going to be working towards being more polished and more feminine. Okay. So welcome to my new channel, 2026. Rediscovering my femininity. I hope you enjoy this ride with me. It's going to be a ride for a while, guys, because I've been kind of rough for a long time. And it seems like I'm just getting rougher. I said, no, you need to stop and pull it back a little bit and rediscover your femininity. Okay. So I hope you guys subscribe. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you stick around to see how I look in a year from now. Just in a year. Of course, I got to do something with this body. To clear up my skin. It's clearing up actually. So I've been doing my skincare in the shower and stuff. And so I just want to share everything with you guys. It's gonna be everything. It's gonna be everything, guys. I'm gonna share a whole lot, like I used to. I used to share a lot on my channel, which made, when YouTubers share some things or a lot of things, you become more relatable. So do I have to share everything in my life? No, but I did buy some new perfume. I even started wearing my perfume, guys, for over a year. I mean, I had stopped doing a lot of stuff, but I like this. It doesn't last long though, but this is the Juicy Couture. I got it on sale from Walmart. Guys, let me tell you what Walmart did to me. It smells, it's a fresh, soft smell. Something I'm not used to. I'm used to more sweet. I can't remember all the scents, but it smells like floral, heavenly, and it smells really good. I bought it from Walmart.com. I don't shop inside of Walmart. If I buy something from Walmart, it's online and I pick it up at the curb, okay? But when I bought this perfume, let me tell you what Walmart did to me. I picked out this perfume and I put it in the cart. Something said, go back to your cart to do something. I wanted to see what the price was. I wanted to confirm something. Whatever the case may be, when I went back to the cart, why did Walmart say, thank you for your purchase? Here's your confirmation number. I said, wait, what? All I did was go back to the cart. Guys, these online shopping businesses, companies, they are tricky. You better pay attention. I didn't try to buy it. I was going to buy it, but I wanted to check something out first. And next thing you know, I done went on and bought the thing. Like, what you doing? Like, how we do that? So I bought some new shampoo that day too, and some hairspray that's supposed to be smelling good. So guys, be careful. Amazon, they are out of control. Have I slowed down on my online shopping? No. However, February 2026, I will be slowing down on it. I've gotten a whole lot better with my finances. But with Amazon, if you go to your cart, you're going to see all the things you saved. You're going to see your wish list. And when you press cart, it's going to say, hey, do you need something else? Like, no, sucker, take me to my cart. They're getting aggressive, guys. These online businesses are getting aggressive when it comes to sales. It's like ads, advertisement. You want this one? No, I want to go to my cart. No, I want to see what I clicked on. If I see something I'm interested in and I want to visit your post, I want to see what the link is about. Not be bombarded by all these stupid ads. Because if I get bombarded by all these ads, I'm gonna make a decision. Do I want to look at your stupid ads, or do I want to look at your stuff that you was offering me? If I can't look at your stuff without being bombarded, I'm clicking off your page. I'm not buying nothing. I'm not looking at nothing. Please give me space. You stupid little online shopper people. Just Anyway, guys. So it's time to put some. Here go one of my greases, guys. I was a greasy baby. I'm still a greasy baby. I don't use hair grease as much. We're gonna talk about my hair too. I don't use hair grease as much, guys. Can you believe it? So yeah, my content will be about me being more feminine and redefined and polished. Okay. So click the subscribe button, click the like button, comment, let me know what your goal is. Let me say this real quick too. You know what I noticed about me? You know how we always try to start in January? Most of us never start anything in January. But me, I don't get started in January. I find myself getting started doing whatever it is my goal is in February and March. And I used to try to just force myself to do January. I said, that's not you. So my fiscal year is actually from February to January, or March to February. So I feel good, guys. And thank you for listening. I know this is a long-winded video, but it feels good to be here. Although my chair is not in its right spot. Let me move this chair over. Move it up. And guys, I have to sit way back here now because you can't see all of my hair. I might have to adjust my camera again. But all right. Love you guys. See you soon. Oh, videos be posted on Sundays again. All right? Sundays. Like I used to. What time do I want to do it, though? I don't know. Either 10 o'clock or 5 o'clock. However, you'll see me on Sundays. Mwah.